Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making chocolate flan. Very tasty and really simple to make, and it's one of my favorites. All you're going to need is double cream, chocolate and pre-rolled pastry. Start off by buttering your tray and make sure it's done thoroughly so your pastry don't stick when it's cooked. And make sure you do the edges as well. Now once that's done, you can move on to your pastry. Now just pop it onto the tray and make sure it's covered evenly. Now once that's done, just trim the edges. Now I use baking beans just to weigh it down so the pastry don't lift in the oven. You can use dried chickpeas or anything that weighs it down. So I'll pop in some foil, make sure the edges are covered. And just pour the beans on top. Let's give it a little pat down so it's evenly spread out. Now it's ready for the oven. Let's go ahead and pop it into the oven. Gas mark 6 for about 20 minutes. And make sure you take it out halfway just to take out the beans. Now let's start with the chocolate. Make sure they're all broken into small pieces so it melts easier in the microwave. Now once all your chocolate's broken into small pieces, let's go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. What that does, it makes it silky smooth. After 2 minutes, it will look like this. Just give it a good mix so all the small pieces break up. And just keep mixing until it becomes really smooth. Now after you mix it, just go ahead and pour in your cream. And mix both of them together until it becomes silky smooth. Now after it's mixed, it should look like this. It should run off your spoon. Now the chocolate's done, let's go get our pastry. So after 20 minutes, just take your pastry out the oven and let it cool down for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just go ahead and pour in your chocolate. Make sure it's spread out evenly. And give it a little tap down so all the air comes out. Now stick it in the fridge for about 6 hours. Now after 6 hours, it should look like this. Ready to slice up. And there you have it, guys. Perfect chocolate flan. Really simple to make and really tasty to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. And see you in the next video.